Right there, look.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
That looks like a dock spider. A little bit smaller.
A little bug. You'll turn into fucking Spider-Man.
That sounds kind of tight.
No.
Those fucking paws out of my way, man.
Oh my god. That is fucking
God
awesome.
damn.
Man, the fact that it's eating a June bug is wild, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like that tells you how big they are. We can say anything to turn around a school bus.
Yeah,
She's a long rib. Yeah, we were all just chilling at the creek side and taking in our last day here, and it's beautiful. Kaboom, kaboom.
So for the last week, I have been hunting. Now, I'll tell you what, before I get crucified for hunting for sport, I think if you've never been hunting, I think you need to go experience that, because to be honest, I had the same train of thought. Why would you ever hunt for sport? Like, that makes no sense. Then I had the opportunity to experience what a hunt is like for myself, and it's pretty cool. Lots of respect for the animals, and just like a very, very primal feeling. I mean, there's a 300-pound bear, maybe, I don't know, 50, 60 feet in front of you. What do? How still can you be? How quiet can you be? So it was very interesting. I really enjoyed it. I'm now in St. John. The whole hunt was, I don't know, hour from here. And yeah, I figured I'd come into town and see what it looks like and check it out. Aiden was here on, my business partner Aiden was here on Monday. He stayed up until yesterday, and then yesterday I drove him out. I stayed back one more night to film. I guess I should give some context of what we were doing. So we were filming an episode for a client. We're producing a TV show, SG Adventures, and it's basically this lifestyle brand that does a lot of time outside, and so we film them do all types of crazy stuff, from fishing sturgeon to hunting, ice fishing, all types of adventures. And so New Brunswick bear hunting was what this episode was, and luckily our production company is the one behind this. And so because I was out here, I asked my business partner if I could come along, and whether or not the client had space for, you know, one more body and one more mouth to feed and all that kind of stuff. And luckily all was a thumbs up all around, and it was just cool to be a part of the whole thing. So I think I'm gonna hang out here for another maybe day or two on this side of the bay, Bay Fundy, Bay of Fundy, Fundy Bay. And then I'm gonna head into Nova Scotia and then eventually my dad's. So I think this week's episode is gonna be all about my week hunting, kind of what that experience was like. I figured I would do a little take here, kind of introducing the episode and what's gonna transpire. I'm gonna go explore a little bit more of this town, and then yeah, we'll see what's up. Go from there. Keep rolling. So, I think my favorite part about being on the road is just like picking somewhere to go, and then I'll just throw it on Google Maps. But then, if I see that there's other bigger connecting roads to this destination that might have a better view or just a better drive in general, I'll normally take it. So I'll take the less beaten path, you know, maybe the slower way. Well, I just did that, and I ended up at this park called Sentier Fundy Trail. I think Sentier means trail. And it is literally, it was $11, but I think it goes all the way like out over yonder. But look at this place. Holy fuck. I like the Maritimes. They're pretty sweet. Wow, okay.